This video will show you how to install a screw-on channel balance attachment in a window that was designed to use a hook attachment. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and our 26-200 balance screw plug. As always, when working with balances, make sure to wear safety glasses. Some windows are made with a version of the Series 795 that comes with a hook attachment at the end of the cord. This hook is installed in a square hole at the top of the track. To install the Series 795 with a screw-on attachment, you'll need to insert the screw plug into the square hole. Just push the screw plug in until it snaps into place. Use a pair of pliers if that makes it easier to reach. Then, screw the balance into the screw plug, securing it to the frame. If your installation hole is round or a slot instead of a square, then the 26-200 will not be compatible. Contact our experts for guidance. For more tutorial videos, or if you need help finding the right hardware, visit us at swissco.com.